Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Anusha. Thank you for joining with me. So today I'm going to show you summer fresh makeup look, which is my go-to makeup look at this moment. And trust me guys, you're gonna love this look because I used very minimal product and also drugstore product. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. So let's get started. So at first I'm using L'Oreal Hydrafresh Antiox Spa Water. I'm hydrating my face at first because skincare is a very important part in this look, so you have to hydrate your skin at first. Next product I'm going to using the Simple Light Hydrating Moisturizer, and this is my favorite moisturizer at this moment because it's a very lightweight, very non-sticky formula which is best for summertime. You can use any kind of moisturizer which you like. So you can see my skin is looking very fresh and healthy. Next product I'm using the BECCA Cosmetics Liquid Illuminator, and I'm taking just one drop, not one pump. It's a half pump, you can see. Don't take too much because I'm going to applying it only the high point of my face, not all over the face. And after using the product you can see the changes on my face because this is my most favorite liquid highlighter at this moment. Now you can see my skin is looking more healthy and more fresh and glowy and looks so natural glow, you can see. So if you don't have this highlighter, you can use the drugstore product from Maybelline Strobing cream. This is also a very good product. Next I'm going to using a primer. This is a pore freshener primer from Benefit Cosmetics. I have a little bit pores on this area, that's why I'm applying it a little bit on my face. If you don't have primer, then you can skip this part. So if you don't have this primer, then you can also try the drugstore product from Maybelline Master Primer. Now I'm taking orange character from LA Girl and I'm using just only this part because just to show you what it does. I don't use any color corrector because I think I don't need it, just to show my girls, so that's why I'm applying it. You can cover your dark circles or pigmentation or pimple spots with this orange corrector. So I'm applying it with my hands. I'm not using any beauty blender or brush, and I love this liquid corrector because it's a very liquidy hydrating product. It's not a creamy product and it's also travel friendly and budget friendly product. You can carry this. Now I'm taking the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. So alright, this is the part you have to pay attention to. We want less product because we definitely want some makeup on our face, okay? So this is not a no makeup look. There is definitely products going on, but we are just using like very minimal products. That's why I'm applying very less amount. You can see I just applying where I need to conceal my face. So here I'm using my favorite beauty blender from BECCA Cosmetics, and I'm just blending very lightly on my face just to blend the concealer. So with the excess product on the beauty blender, I am applying it on my eyelids to hide my pigmentation. Product I'm going to using the Huda Beauty baking powder. So now I'm not baking my face right now. I'm just taking the powder on the beauty blender and removing the excess powder from the beauty blender and applying it only the under eye area on my face. If you have oily skin, you can use all over the face, but I don't like too much powder on my face. I just like dewy finish. You can see the difference right now after using the powder. If you have hollow eye like me, you can hide this hollow eye area with this powder. If you don't have the Huda Beauty baking powder, then you can also use the Maybelline Fit Me baking powder. Next I'm doing my eyebrows with the Etude House eyebrow pencil, and this is a very drugstore and budget friendly product. I'm loving this at this moment. If you have very thick eyebrows, then you can skip this part, but I just need to reshape my eyebrows, that's why I'm applying it. That's it. product is the lip and cheek tint from Etude House, and I'm just taking it on my hand and applying it with my beauty blender, and just taking a very less amount, applying it on my cheek. Tint are gonna be your best friend, guys, trust me, because after using the product you can see it looks so youthful on my face. You can obviously apply this with your finger, but I love the even application with the beauty blender. You can see now I'm using the L'Oreal Back to Bronzer. You can use it if you want to contour your face, but if you don't, then you can obviously skip this part. But I need to contour my face because I have much more healthy and healthier, heavier face right now. But I'm not using it too much. I'm just applying very little amount just to make a little bit natural bronzy look. And I'm also applying it onto my eyelid just to make it look a little bit natural. For mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Falsies Lash Lift Mascara, and I'm going to show you the difference between my both eyes after applying the mascara. This mascara is newly launched from Maybelline, and now you can see the difference. I'm just loving this. I don't need any lashes. For lip, I'm using the Maybelline Color Sensational Powder Matte Lip Color, and the shade is Toasted Brown. It's a very light brown shade which suits almost all kind of skin complexions. Now again I'm using the lip tint. I'm just applying 4 drops on my lip and just blending it with my hands. It's look more natural after using the lip tint. You can see the lip tint is a multitasker. Applying a little bit more to build up the shade more natural. And the excess product on my finger, I'm just applying it onto my eyelid to look more natural pinkish tint look. Alright guys, this is the final look. I just love how this look, and it still looks so youthful and fresh. It doesn't look any powdery or cakey, and the fact I'm loving this, it still looks so glowy. And you can use any powder highlighter or liquid highlighter after that, but I don't need this anymore. So if this video is helpful for you, then just like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you want more tutorial like this, just let me know in the comment section below. I definitely love to do that. So I'll see you all in my next video, guys. Bye.